right, more than halfway home here in week 5 of our winter quarter term, marketing for aging services. Thank you for all your good discussions, responses. As always, I enjoy reading those. This week, we're going to look in more depth at spin selling and spin selling techniques. We're going a little bit out of order in the Escaping the Price-Driven Sale textbook because I wanted to zero in on different types of questions that we can formulate. I'm a big believer that whether we're talking about sales, marketing, or simply trying to understand a business, questions really get us there. So our ability to ask good questions, to listen well, will help us to provide goods and services that make a difference for people in their lives. It also really is the key to creating a viable business that has a chance to grow and prosper. So materials for this week, certainly our reading, as always. We'll deal with some of the information in Boomer Consumer, creating stories and understanding values of the Boomer generation. We'll deal with that as part of our term project, and that information, I promise, will be forthcoming. There's an article called the Age Wave Study. It's a very good article. It was done in Minnesota, so we have to be careful to not generalize from Minnesota to the rest of the country. But I really liked how they laid out information in that article and found it to be useful and meaningful. That will be the basis for your discussion question this week in groups. Very important to note that your discussion this week will be in a newly assigned group, and that all the discussion will take place in the group discussion board, not on the general discussion board. Hopefully that's explained clearly on Blackboard in a couple of different places for you. Let's see, what else? You have an assignment that's related to creating some spin questions using the same scenarios that we used in week 3. Hopefully that will make sense to you, but don't hesitate to give me a call if you have questions about that. Hope everybody's doing well, and I hope you have a terrific week. I did extend the deadline for assignments and discussion questions till next Tuesday at 1 o'clock because I was a little slower getting materials posted this week. All right, thank you.